Founded with a vision to deliver reliable, scalable, and future-ready digital solutions, Concrete Software Solutions Pvt. Limited is a trusted IT services and consulting company empowering businesses across industries. We specialize in custom software development, web and mobile applications, enterprise and cloud solutions, UI, UX design, system integration, automation, and ongoing maintenance and support. Our expertise also spans hosting, servers, emails, DNS management, and cloud platforms such as AWS and Microsoft Azure. We actively work in advanced technologies including AI and ML solutions such as chatbots, automation, predictive analytics, computer vision, AR, VR, generative AI, and agentic AI. Beyond technology delivery, we are a strong partner in IT technical manpower services, providing skilled professionals on both our payroll and client payroll models. Innovation drives everything we do, with in-house platforms designed to improve transparency, automation, and business intelligence. At Concrete Software Solutions Pvt. Limited, we don't just build software, we build long-term digital partnerships. Technology, talent, trust.